Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I love showcasing indie brand makeup. If that sounds like your cup of tea, please consider subscribing before you leave and give the video a thumbs up. There's also a join button right down there that you can click to become a channel member for exclusive perks. Thank you to my channel members. Very quickly, I'm going to address the fact that I do not sound like myself. I am very, very under the weather right now. But I really wanted to get this video up for you guys because truthfully, I think this is going to be my favorite Nomad Cosmetics palette yet. But I just received the brand new Monteverde palette from Nomad Cosmetics. The outer packaging is absolutely stunning. The color story is absolutely stunning. This is Monteverde, Costa Rica. I will give you guys some deets on this as well as inserting some swatches. So here is our packaging. I think it is so freaking beautiful. They are a cruelty-free brand. And Nomad Cosmetics, I really love their aesthetic. I love their whole vibe. I cannot wait for y'all to see this. I love the fact that they are a brand that is based on being a nomad, being nomadic, being a traveler, and then wanting to do beautiful, inspirational palettes and makeup products based on their travels. And I think, honestly, aside from there being kind of a true transition shade here and an inner corner highlight type of shade here, I'm obsessed. I think this is absolutely stunning. And I cannot wait to get into this palette. Thank you to Nomad Cosmetics for sending. You can use code RIRI10 to save 10% off. That is not an affiliate code or anything like that. That is just for you guys. And this beauty drops on August 23rd, so just a couple days from today. New Nomad Monteverde Cloud Forest Palette. The story. A pioneer in environmental protection, Monteverde Cloud Forest is one of Costa Rica's most precious natural treasures. Consisting of separate flourishing ecosystems, the cloud forest wows visitors with abundant beauty, bounty, and biodiversity. Wander at the lush forest with trees touching the clouds and peek at the rare creatures and flora hiding in the magical mist of Monteverde. The palette. A canopy of gradient forest greens, y'all know that they're my favorite, dotted with vivid pops of color from the flowers and the animals that peek through the verdant trees. 12 flourishing mattes and 6 luminescent shimmers inspired by a one-of-a-kind wildlife wonderland. And if you know me at all, you know I prefer a matte heavy palette. I prefer a palette that goes pretty deep and then less shimmers. So I think it's absolutely stunning. And the greens, the pinks, the everything, it's just calling my name. And then the cause, because of course, every palette and every product that Nomad Cosmetics brings out, they do give back. Something else I really love about them. Something I also really love about indie brand makeup. The cause. We are so proud to help protect the cloud forest and all its inhabitants by supporting the Monteverde Cloud Forest Preserve. And there is our little card. I will quickly let you know what is on my face. Hopefully you guys can hear me because I cannot hear myself. And thank you for bearing with me in this video. I went in with my KVD Good Apple Balm Foundation. This is medium 033. I went in with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Powder. This is the shade 2 medium. And we're getting through it, you guys. We are almost done. I went in with my OPV Beauty London. This is the shade 2 of their face palette. The highlighter sucks, but the blush and the bronzer I really did enjoy. This is my first time trying it. I always start every video, in case you're curious, with my Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump. This one's also almost gone. My brows are always, recently, my IMethodBeauty. I don't use the stencils. I like to shape my own brows, but I use the pomade and my Juvias Place brow pen. And then my ABH eye primer. As per usual, that is it. I hope that you guys like these looks. Please let me know what you guys think. If this performs like I know Nomad Cosmetics shadows typically perform, it's going to be my new favorite. I already feel it. Alright, we are going to speed this up. And we're going to do 2 separate looks. I hope that you guys like them. Comment down below your favorite look at the end of the video. Thank you, Nomad Cosmetics. Thank you to you beauties. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful.